Stop. Before you even think about buying another drone, you need to hear this. The FPV world, the cinematic world, the world of first-person view flying, it is about to be shattered. What you are currently flying is about to become a relic. The whispers have turned into undeniable, concrete leaks, and they all point to one thing. The DJI Avata 3, this is not a modest upgrade. This is a complete, ruthless, and almost unfair re-engineering of the Cinewhoop concept. DJI did not just iterate, they threw out the blueprint and built a ghost in the machine. A machine designed to break the barriers of speed, stability, and, most importantly, image quality. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the ultimate FPV secret weapon, and for the next 30 minutes, we are going to expose its most valuable details. Let's begin where the Avata 2 fell short for the pros, the camera. The biggest, most earth-shaking leak confirms a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Let that sink in. A 1-inch sensor, previously reserved for larger, heavier cinematic drones, is now rumored to be crammed into this compact, duct form factor. What does this mean for you? It means true professional low-light performance. It means dynamic range that doesn't blow out the highlights or crush the shadows. We are talking about 4K video at 120 frames per second with 10-bit D-Log-M color depth. This isn't just FPV footage. This is cinematic, Hollywood-grade production capability, pulled off by a drone you can catch in your hand. The quality leap is so immense it will instantly render all previous Avata versions obsolete for serious creators. But how do they fit that sensor? This leads us to the design leak. The Avata 3 is rumored to feature a major shift in internal layout. Sources indicate the battery has been intelligently repositioned and the gimbal tilt axis has been extended. Why? To accommodate that massive new sensor and allow the drone to fly faster and pitch harder without the prop guards blocking the shot. Furthermore, there are whispers of a completely redesigned, streamlined, carbon-infused propeller guard that is lighter and more aerodynamic. This isn't just about looking cool. It's about increasing the max speed to a jaw-dropping 140 km per hour in manual mode, transforming the Avata from a fast Cinewhoop into a near-racing drone hybrid. The true breakthrough, however, lies in flight time. This has always been the Achilles heel of FPV. The leaks, stemming from battery manufacturing sources, suggest a larger, higher-density battery, potentially over 3,000 mAh. Combined with a rumored 4-blade propeller setup and new, more efficient motors, the projected flight time is an unbelievable 25 to 30 minutes. Think about that. Almost a half hour of continuous, immersive FPV flying on a single battery. No more rushed shots. No more emergency return-to-home moments. This is the feature that changes everything for long-form content creation and exploration. Now, let's talk about the experience, the goggles and transmission. The Avata 3 is virtually guaranteed to launch with the rumored DJI Goggles 4 and the new O4 Plus transmission system. O4 was already revolutionary, but the O4 Plus is rumored to push latency below 30 milliseconds even at extended ranges up to 15 kilometers. And the Goggles 4? Expect higher resolution micro-OLED displays and a wider field of view. But the secret weapon here is the rumored LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance integration. Instead of relying solely on downward and forward sensors,